Hey, what's up guys, Maddie here. I am creator of Pindrill. Alright, so let me give you this demonstration how this product works. How can you use Pindrill as money making tool online? How can you use Pindrill as a traffic generation tool for your website or your online store or your blog as well, right? Before giving you this demo, I would like to share some facts about Pinterest. How can you use Pinterest as a tool, as a marketing tool for your website? Alright, you know about Pinterest. Pinterest is the second biggest social network after Facebook. Alright, it's the fastest growing network. Alright, so there are more than 2.8 billion page views every month on Pinterest. There are more than 70 million people who are posting content every day on Pinterest and they're promoting their brands. Alright, so how can you use this tool as a money making tool? You know one fact, there are more than 70% people who are actually pinners. They are real buyers. They are using this tool for buying products. Alright, so average order value using Pinterest, the people who are using Pinterest for buying products, the average order value is between $140 to $180. Alright, so let me tell you, how can you automate your whole process? How can you automate your whole marketing campaigns on Pinterest using Pindrill.com? So you can see my screen here. You have to connect one account of Pinterest initially when you log in first time. So you have to connect your Pinterest account. Let me connect. Alright, so you have to just give the authority, authorize this account. Alright, I'm logged in already. I have 0 boards, 0 pins, 0 likes and 0 followers here. Alright guys, so I have to check my Pinterest account as well. Alright, so I have 0 boards, 0 pins, 0 likes and 0 followers here. It's a new account and let me show you how can I use Pindrill for uploading and crawling content on Pinterest and how can I generate more traffic using Pinterest.com. Alright guys, so let me add one website. Okay, so I have this store. I call it LimeRoot and I have these categories. So these categories are decor, furniture, lighting, kitchen and dining, and these are the products I have on each category. Alright guys, so let me show you how can you add this website here with Pindrill. So Pindrill supports WordPress, Shopify, Magento, Etsy, Twitter, Tumblr, and Blogger. Alright, so this website is built in WordPress. So what I have to do, I have to click on WordPress link and I have to put my website name and website URL as well. And I have to click on create token button. Alright, so you can see we generated one token here. You just have to copy this token and you have to go to your plugin section of WordPress. We are already providing one plugin. We call it Pindrill WordPress Sync plugin. You have to install this plugin and have to click on activate link. You can see this Pindrill settings in your left bar and you have to paste your token which you generated on Pindrill and you have to submit this. It will be synced with your Pindrill account automatically. So now, if you come to your Pindrill account here, you will see these 2 buttons will be activated automatically and you click on next button and you can see, here we go, you can see your all categories here. So these, in each category, we must be having some products. Alright, so let's say in this category, you have some products, tables, seatings, lighting, table lamps, kitchen, tableware. Alright, so let me select these 2-3 categories. So in each, I selected decor, I selected furniture category. Alright, so I'll click on next button now and it will take some few seconds to fetch each product from all these categories. Alright, so let me show you. We have product in decor, we have these products in decor and we have these products in furniture. Alright, let me show you. Alright, it may take some few seconds to fetch content first time, because it takes time to get synced with your website. As you can see, we have 0 boards, 0 pins, 0 likes and 0 followers here. And now here we go. We have all products here. And what Pindrill did? Pindrill fetched all these products from each category which we have selected initially now, right? So let's say, okay, I don't like this image and I want to change it. So this is our infographic editor. We call it infographic editor because infographics play a big role in traffic generation from Pinterest. Alright, so what you can do, you can delete this image. You can open image folder of your computer. Alright, so I got these images. Okay, let's take this. I like this. And here we go. So I got this image to post on Pinterest. I want to change it. I can resize it. I can rotate it. I want to. Alright, let's make these corners round. I want to type my domain name here. limeroot.com, and font size must be a bit smaller. Alright, let's say 21. Save it. Alright, here we go. Now I want to put some extra images. I got this image. Okay, it goes with it. I can put it here. Alright, and let me save it. I recommend to keep it like high quality because you get good response if you are posting high quality content on Pinterest. Here we go. So this image has been changed, as you can see now, right? Alright, so let's select all images, select all. I would like to post all these 2 categories, and like from all these 2 categories I want to post everything on Pinterest. So we have 2 options to go with. We have publish pins now and we have schedule pins. So I want to go with publish pins now. You can see the process has been started already. Let's go to your Pinterest account. Wow, now you can see we have 2 boards automatically created, decor and furniture. Let's refresh it again. Wow, now we have 6 pins too. Let's refresh it again. Wow, now we have 14 pins here. Refresh it again. 19 pins now we have. So the system is like uploading and converting those products into pins. You can see, right? Refresh it again. Alright, so here we go. Now we got everything here. Let me show you how it works. So let's say you have this product, alright? So Pinterest helps you in generating traffic as well as in your search engine optimization. So how it helps you in search engine optimization, how it helps you in your SEO for your website. So you can you see this link here? So it gives you backlinks. Let's say if you have 2,000 products on your online store, or if you have 500 articles or blogs on your blog, you want to run your offers like on Pinterest. What you can do as an affiliate marketer, what you can do, you can publish all your blogs on Pinterest, and Pinterest will give you backlinks to your blog. All right, so you will get 500 backlinks initially, immediately. All right, so let me show you how it works. If you click on visit button, it will land you on your product page. Alright, so anybody who is landing here, if he likes this product, can buy your product too, right? So this is how it works. Checkout and payment will be credited to your account. Alright, and let me show you one crazy thing about Pinterest. So your product is here, and Pinterest has created all these hashtags. So you know about the hashtag, how hashtag like play a very like crazy role in like marketing. So what you can do with these hashtags, your product is already linked with the other similar products on Pinterest. The same thing will happen if somebody is searching for your product will be on top on Pinterest. Alright, so this is like how Pinterest works, and this is how Pinterest keeps your product on top on Pinterest. Alright, so let me show you other section on Pinterest. We have manage pins. So what you can do, whatever pins you have uploaded on Pinterest will be displayed here. Alright, as you can see. So we uploaded these pins. Wow, we changed it to right. We uploaded on Pinterest. So what you can do, you can like see it on Pinterest, you can edit it, and you can schedule it for future. Alright, let's say if you want to schedule it for tomorrow or day after, you can do that on other social network, on other social platforms. So we support Pinterest as well as Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and like other social networks. Alright guys, so let me show you how you can schedule your pins. So this is our scheduler. So what you can do, you can connect your Twitter account, you can connect your Tumblr account, you can connect your Facebook account and LinkedIn account, of course Pinterest too. So what you can do with these accounts, you can connect your Facebook profile, Facebook page or Facebook group as well. Alright, and you can schedule your pins or other content. Let's say you are a marketer and you like have to post like quotes every day. So what you can do, you can schedule those quotes every day on Pinterest, and those pins and those posts will be published on your all social networks automatically. Alright, so I have scheduled these 4 pins here: how to make money article, positive quote, thought of the day, internet marketing blog, how to run a CPA offer on Pinterest. Alright, so this is the scheduler, and this is the dashboard and analytics. So how you can see like what your website is. I think, let me show you once again. Alright, here we go. So now you can see you have 2 boards, 19 pins, 0 Pinterest likes, and 0 Pinterest followers. Alright, if I'll connect with my account, I got 38 followers in just one day. Yesterday I uploaded 48 pins, and today I got 38 followers on my account. And so let me tell you how it helps you like analyzing your website traffic. So you can see the performance section here. So in last quarter you got 1200 unique visitors and you generated 50 sales from Pinterest. Alright, so you can see which crawler is being used, what are the traffic sources, which browser is being used most, the countries and visitor graph. Alright, and other analytics here. You can see your monthly earnings and you can see your quarterly earnings. Alright guys, so this is Pinterest, and I hope you like it and you will definitely make money using Pinterest online. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.